Hello, I'm Stephen Penn, and this is Hans from Penn Designs. Thank you for checking out my channel, Design in Mind. I believe a good design starts from within and works its way out. Today we're going to learn how to update a powder room. And these rooms are really fun to do, and you don't have to break the bank either. Let's begin. When designing any room, I like to start with the question, what is the purpose of this room, and what kind of overall feeling do I want to achieve from designing this room? Well, for this room, as it is known by many, we'll call it a powder room. And we know what the general purpose of it is, but it can be used to check out your look in the mirror, make a phone call, and just have that private moment. Next, do you feel like you want to walk into a room that is a luxurious spa, or a funky New York apartment, maybe a country retreat? Well, for this space, I chose a funky New York apartment. So let's go from there. Next, what colors do I think would help me achieve that mood of this New York funky apartment space? Well, this space isn't too big and doesn't have much natural light. So whatever color I choose, I know I'm going to want it to be a glossy one. So it reflects light, and there are already white tiles with a border around them in here. And the border is lots of little tiles with other colors in them. So I matched the darkest color of one of the small little tiles and went with something dark and moody and shiny to help achieve the look and feel that I want, but also to have some harmony in the room, so I matched up a little bit. And I wound up choosing a wonderful deep purple gray, and for more drama and to open up the space even more, I painted the ceiling as well, and this was also in another dark color, but a few shades lighter than the walls, but just as glossy to ensure that the light bounces off everywhere. Next, the features needed to be changed as well, and to also help me get that updated feeling that I want to achieve. So I went for something that was also black and silver, so it's just a little bit unexpected. I decided on a black matte faucet with handles that matched and left the sink basin white. Countertop is black marble, and I left that alone as well, and it looks very nice and dramatic. Next, I've changed the knobs on the cabinetry that go nicely with the new faucet and the handles. Since the cabinets are white, I went with black matte knobs, and they give it a really nice pop. Now the lighting needs to be replaced, and since it's a powder room, you have also so many options and a lot of freedom with the lighting. I chose these beautiful black matte wall sconces that have enough light for whatever the task at hand may be, and also that dramatic look and feel. Beautiful. Now, the window dressing. You can't just leave a window bare in a powder room, so I added a charcoal gray, top down, bottom up shade. These blinds are awesome. They add privacy as well as let the light in when and how you want it. Perfect. Now, for the final touches, these are the little things that I think always bring home an overall look and feel you're going for. The art you hang needs to go along with the feeling you are trying to achieve. So here in this room, I chose pop art. It's colorful and fun. I chose a wooden frame that's a little roughed up. It's gold and fits really well in the space. Instead of installing a towel rack on the wall, I purchased a black counter towel stand. Much more convenient. I also purchased a clear little tray to put fun paper napkins in, especially for guests to dry their hands on, instead of having to use the towels that someone else used. And this is also a way to add some really fun colors and patterns to the room as well. Tissue box is a good idea, but instead of just an ordinary tissue box that it comes in, why not get something that goes with the rest of your theme? I purchased a black matte hammered metal one. It looks really cool and blends in, and it's fun. Lastly, the soap dispenser. Everything is black, but the sink basin is white, so I went with a white ceramic soap dispenser that has a round shape, and it somewhat matches the shape of the basin. Well, that's it for this bathroom remodel. I just have a few tips to keep in mind when you make some choices. Remember the mood you want to achieve, and ask yourself, what colors will help to make that happen? What hardware goes along with that mood? And does that look modern? Does that look ultra modern? Does that look mid-century? And perhaps most importantly, does that please your eye? When updating your powder room, you don't have to break the bank. Just always be mindful of your choices and ask, what will those choices lead to? Good choices will equate to less trips to the hardware store, less money spent, and a look and feel that you can sure to be proud of. Well, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed our vlog and even learned a few things. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, ring the bell, maybe subscribe to my channel, and hey, while you're at it, tell a friend or two. I hope you had fun with Stephen Penn Designs vlog, Design in Mind. Look for new videos where I'll be designing something else. Always mindfully, of course. Maybe it'll be a bedroom, another bathroom, a hallway, a laundry room. In design, the possibilities are endless, so stay tuned.